So, hi students, coming to the new section. So, in this session we are going to discuss about the exercise 5.2. So, in exercise 5.2, observe there in page number 96, first question, state whether the following pairs of angles is supplementary, complementary or none. So, we have to say the two pair of angles are given there already. We have to find that two angles are supplementary angles, that pair of angles are complementary angles or none. So, what we have to choose. So, first one I am going to explain the first question A. So, what are the angles are given there? 70 degrees and 110 degrees. So, here first we have to add these two immediately. 70 plus 110 is equal to 180 degrees. What we get here? 180 degrees. 180 degrees means these two angles are supplementary angles. Therefore, 70 comma 110 degrees are supplementary angles. This is the thing you have to do. Okay, just you have to add these two angles. If you got 180 degrees means you have to write this here supplementary angles. If you got 90 degrees means you have to write there complementary angles. Okay, if you got sum of the two angles are 180 means you have to write supplementary angles there. If you got 90, sum of the two angles means 90 means you have to write there these angles are complementary angles. Otherwise, you have to write there these angles are neither supplementary nor complementary, like that you have to write. And I am going to explain another one also in here. So, C, observe the C here, C 55 and 35 are given. So, here also we have to add these two, we will get 90 here. So, 90 means 90 is a, so 55 and 35 are complementary angles. So, like that you have to write the given angles are complementary and write like 55 and 35 are the complementary angles. Like that you can write. J example I am going to explain. J 161 and 29. So, here also 161 plus 29 is equal to here 160, 170, 180, 190, 190 degrees you got. Actually 190 is neither supplementary nor complementary. So, here what we have to write 161 and 29 are neither supplementary nor complementary, like that you have to write. These are the three models I explained here. Remaining sums you have to try, you have to complete. Understood? This is about the pair of angles are supplementary or complementary or none. We have completed first Roman. And coming to the second Roman, in the second Roman what is the question is given? Find the complement of the each of the following. So, here one angle is given, what will be the complement for this? What will be the complement means what should be added to the given angle, then we will get the 90 degrees, then that angle must be the complement for the given angle. So, first one 72 is given here. So, here 72 plus what? Plus what means put x there. So, what should be added to 72, then we will get 90. 90 means what should be added to the give 72, then we will get complement angle. So, complementary means 72, x is equal to 90 minus 72. So, when we subtract this 10 minus 2 8, here 8 minus 1 and 7 1, 18 degrees. So, 18, here you have to write 18 is the complement for 72 degrees, like that you have to write. Okay. Now, in that C there, observe the C question here, C 0 degrees is given. So, what about the 0 degrees? What is the complement for 0? 0 plus dash is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 90. What should be added to 0, then we will get 90 only. So, x is equal to 90 minus 0 is equal to 90. So, 90 is the complement for 0. When 0 angle and 90 degrees angle, both angles, when we add in these two angles, then we will get the complementary angle. So, that is like that you have to complete the remaining also. You can use this model and complete the remaining sums. Okay. In second Roman, what we have completed here, what is the complement for the given angle. So third Roman, what is the supplement for the given angle? If sum of two angles are equal to 180 degrees means those angles are called as supplementary angles. So what should be added to the given angle, then we will get the 180 degrees we have to find now. So for third Roman A, 135 is given there. So in 135 what should be added to? What should be added to 35, 135, then we will get 180 degrees. So 135 plus dash, it means x we have to write 180 degrees. What should be complement supplement means we have to add these two angles, then we will get 180 degrees. Which angle should be added? So 180 minus 135 degrees is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, and here 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 45 degrees. So 45 is the supplement for 135. That statement you have to write here. 45 is the supplement for 35. Okay, like that you have to write. And next one I am going to explain another one also here. So what will be the supplement for 180? G sum I am going to explain. Already 180 is given. Actually we have to get 180 only. So what should be added to 180? Then we will get again 180. We should add 0 to 180 means then we will get x is equal to 180 minus 180 is equal to 0. 0 is the complement for 180 degrees. Like this, sorry. 0 is the supplement for 180 degrees. Okay. So that 0 degrees and 180 degrees can be form a supplementary angles. Okay, like that you have to write. Remaining also you can do with the using of these models. Okay, we have completed third Roman also. If you have any doubts means you can contact. You can do easily using these models, and already in the previous section we discussed about the examples also. With the using of the examples you can complete the remaining sums. So coming to the fourth Roman, and if you read that, find the measure of the other angle if the measure of one angle is linear pair is. So here actually linear pair of angles means sum of the linear pair of angles are equal to 180 degrees, already we know that. So here also we have to find the supplementary angles only. Here also this question also related to supplementary angles. So two angles are, if the two angles are linear pair of angles means those two angles are also called as supplementary angles. Why? Because the sum of the two linear pair of angles are equal to 180 degrees. That's why the two pair of linear angles, linear pair of angles are can be called as supplementary angles also. So that we have to find the supplement for this. Supplement means already we have completed in third Roman. So same Roman you have to, same model you have to use there also. 55 is given here. So A, 55 degrees is given. So 55 plus dash is equal to 180. Same. Linear pair of angles means sum of the two linear pair of angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. So that is equal to 10 minus 5, 5, and here 7 minus 5, 2. Here 1 is there. So 125 degrees. So 125 degrees for the linear pair of, that statement you have to write here. So 125 is the linear pair of 55. So here for suppose this is a line, and here it is 55 degrees means this must be 125 degrees. Understood? Like that, these two are linear pair of angles. If it is 55 means it must be 125 degrees. So like that only I am going to explain the D1 here. Here D is 90 degrees. What should be added to 90 degrees? Then we will get 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 is equal to 90 degrees only. So if angles be like this, if one angle is 90 degrees means this angle also be 90 degrees. So these two angles are linear pair angles as well as supplementary angles. Understood? So like this, using this model you can complete the remaining sums also. Okay.